Hi friends, wedding season is upon us, so let the games begin. So today I'm sharing with you some budget-friendly games you can put together on a Dollar Tree budget for a bridal shower. Let's jump in. For this first one, you'll need a jar. I picked this one up from the Dollar Tree and it was the perfect size. I also like that it had a silver top. Now, if you wanted to customize it, you could always add some paper, some fabric, or paint it. You're also going to need a pack of these little hearts. They can be found on the craft aisle. They come in a 4-pack. They're just little chalkboard hearts. Now it's time to make DIY number 1. And for this game, we're going to be using the jar we picked up at the Dollar Tree and some Hershey's Kisses. So you can buy them at the Dollar Tree in small packs. I opted to buy them in a much larger container from a big box store where I got a whole lot more for my money. Now be sure to count them as you're putting them in the jar. I found the perfect number for this jar was 119. Now I'm taking one of the heart chalkboard tags that we picked up and I'm just going to write on it, count the kisses, using a marker in silver to match the lid of the jar, and string through a little bit of silver ribbon to tie it around the top of our jar and display it on a table. Now keep in mind you're going to need some paper and a pen for anyone at your party who will be guessing the number of kisses, and be sure you write it down so you don't forget it. Now I also picked up a frame from the Dollar Tree that was from the bridal section, and I just printed out very simply count the kisses, closest without going over wins, and I displayed it all together on a table at our event. Now this was a super fun way to have something for your guests to do as they arrive. For our next game, you're going to need some ring pops. The number is up to you, but you can find them in 4-packs at the Dollar Tree for just $1.25. They come in the original flavors, tropical or sour, so depending on what you want to go with, maybe for your color scheme, keep that in mind, but they do all come with 4 in a pack. So I picked up 2 of these for our next DIY, and this one I'm calling the Ring Hunt. It is a lot of fun for everyone, especially those who are competitive and any little ones that might be in the shower. So all you do is count out a specific number of rings. It's up to you. We did 7. You hide them around the area that you're having the shower, and the first person to find the most wins a prize. I did use another Dollar Tree frame with a little announcement of the game. For our next one, we're headed back to the Dollar Tree for some craft sticks and a Sharpie. Now, the Dollar Tree has all kinds of colored Sharpies, so you could always coordinate these to your color scheme. I was lucky enough to find the colors that match ours. For this game, I'm calling it Date Ideas, and it makes a great little gift for the bride-to-be. I picked up a taller jar from the Dollar Tree as well, so these canisters can be found in the glass kitchen area. And now we're going to take our popsicle sticks. You can count out however many guests you're going to have on hand, but I did find that a few people like to give more than one suggestion, or they would mess theirs up and want another one, and then just pop in your markers, and that way you can gift this to the bride once the shower is over. And what I like to do is put a little chalkboard heart on it that just says Date Night Ideas, and what you can do is have the bride randomly pick out one of the suggestions, and that way you can also gift one of your guests a prize as part of participating in this little game and gifting the bride-to-be with a few date night ideas for after the nuptials. Now for this next one, I'm telling you, this one is so much fun. I call it the Misses, and I picked up these little signs from the Dollar Tree. They're just little wooden marquee signs that come with paper alphas. So what you're going to want to do is display this at your shower. You can just basically tear off all of the letters so that you can spell out congrats, Mrs., and then fill in the last name. And you're going to need the bride's help for this one because you're going to be waiting for the first person to call them by their new name, which is their Mrs. name. Now be sure to pick up some of these gift boxes for gift cards for your guests for all the prizes from the Dollar Tree. They come in all kinds of colors and are perfect for gifting a little card. What are some budget-friendly games that you've done on a Dollar Tree budget? Comment down below and I'll see you back very soon.